Hey guys, it's Ben, and you're watching Brick Building Ben once again. And today I'm here with my little bird, Yoda.
Hi.
And today we're going to be building some Star Wars sets. I'm going to be building Yoda's hut. And Juda's going to be building the Microfighters versus First Star Walker Microfighters. Although this is from episode 5 and that's from episode 8. But it's the only Star Wars sets we have. And this set is ages 7 to 12 and it's 229 pieces. And it says ages 6 to 12 and it's not 216 pieces. Neither of us are the right ages for these sets, but we're going to build them anyway. Okay, so let's open up these boxes. There's bag 1 and a bag 2 same for Juda's one, and 2 instruction booklets for him and 1 for me. Okay, so doesn't look like we have too much building ahead of us, but let's get to it. Alright guys, so we just finished these sets. They are pretty cool, so let's talk about them. Okay, first we'll start off with Judah's stuff. Here's the speeder, like the pilot. I'm not too sure if he's a Jedi, but it is. But anyway, I remember the battle in episode 8. And here's a stormtrooper guy coming. And in the walker, I remember this from the movie too. And they are battling each other, obviously. Looks like he lost. Next. And they both lost. Okay, moving on to Yoda's hut. Here we have Yoda and R2-D2 and Luke Skywalker. He just fell off. Carrier here. And Luke has this back part for Yoda to ride on, just like back in the training of episode 5. Is this training almost done, Yoda? Not yet. And anyway, here's R2-D2. He is pretty filthy, and the set also came with a snake. And smoke coming from the chimney because there's stuff cooking inside. You can take a look at inside the hut. And here's a carrot, but for some reason the stem on the back is brown instead of green like it should be. And here's some stew on the side. And over here, there's Yoda's bed. It can go up like that. And over here, there's this spot that is also a train spot. Let's try it without Yoda. 3, 2, 1. That didn't do much. Anyways, there's also a frying pan for Yoda to cook on. I'm cooking the carrots, I'm cooking the carrots. And the sides can open up. This is pretty cool. If you have this at home, you probably already know what it does if you didn't already build it. Anyway, okay guys, so that was Yoda's hut and the ski speeder versus First Star Walker Microfighters. If you guys want to see more Lego sets, leave a comment down below telling me what set you want me to build, and also you could see Judah in more videos if you want him or some of the others. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.